আউযুবিল্লাহি মিনাশ শাইতানির রাজিম। বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ। হিন্দু ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাইয়ের প্রতি আদাব। স্নেহের ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাই বোনেরা, আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো। যে যেখানে আছো, যে অবস্থায় আছো, শুরুতেই তোমাদেরকে আমার আজকের অনলাইন ক্লাসে শুভেচ্ছা, স্বাগতম। আমি মোহাম্মদ ওয়াহিদুর রহমান, লেকচার ইন ইংলিশ, পাগলাকি স্কুল ও কলেজ, রংপুর। ইতিমধ্যেই আমি তোমাদের কয়েকটা ক্লাস করেছি, তার ধারাবাহিকতায় আজকে আমার 7 নম্বর ক্লাস হতে যাচ্ছে। হিস্ট্রিক্যাল স্পিচের উপরে বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমানের হিস্ট্রিক্যাল স্পিচের উপরে আজকে আমার ক্লাস, এইটাই লাস্ট লেকচার। এরপরে আমরা ইউনিট 1 লিসন 2 এ চলে যাব। লিসন 1 আজকে শেষ হবে আমাদের। প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাই বোনেরা, আমি আমার প্রিভিয়াস লেকচারগুলোতে তোমাদেরকে যা বলেছিলাম, যা অভ্যাস দিয়েছিলাম, পড়তে বলেছিলাম, বাসায় বইয়ের সঙ্গে থাকতে বলেছিলাম, বাসায় অনলাইন ক্লাসের সঙ্গে থাকতে বলেছিলাম, আশা করি তোমরা তা পালন করেছ এবং বইয়ের সঙ্গে রয়েছ, ইংরেজির সঙ্গে রয়েছ, ক্লাসের সঙ্গে রয়েছ। অনলাইন ক্লাসে তোমরা যদি লেগে থাকো, তোমরা যদি ক্লাস করো, তোমরা যদি অনলাইনে থাকো, উপভোগ করো, তাহলেই গভর্নমেন্টের যেমন উদ্দেশ্য সফল হবে, আমাদেরই তেমন এই শ্রম সার্থক হবে। এই প্রত্যাশায় আজকে আমাদের ক্লাস শুরু করছি। আমি আজকে চলো দেখে আমাদের কি বলা আছে এই লিসনে। এখানে লেখক বলছেন, to those in the armed forces I have this to say, you are my brothers, stay in your barracks and no one will bother you. But don't try again to aim your bullets at our chest. You can't suppress 70 million people forever. Since we have learned to sacrifice ourselves, no one can suppress us in anymore. And as for our martyrs and those who have been wounded, we in the Army League will do everything we can to assist them and their loved ones. If you have the means, please give what little you can to our relief committee. To owners of factories whose workers had participated in the general strike in last 7 days, I have this to say: make sure that they are paid wages for those days. To government employee, I have this to tell: you will have to listen to my directives. Till our country is liberated, taxes and custom duties won't be collected. No one will pay them either. Remember, the enemy is amidst us to create chaos and confusion, to create anarchy and to loot. In our Bengal, Hindus and Muslims, Bengalis and non-Bengalis are all brothers. We are responsible for their safety. Let us not tempt ourselves in any way. Remember, those of you who work for radio and television, if the people running the radio station aren't ready to listen to us, no Bengali will report for work there. Banks will be open for 2 hours every day so that people can collect their salaries. But we won't allow even a single paisa to be transferred from East Bengal to West Pakistan. Telephones and telegram services will continue as before in our East Bengal. If we have to transmit news abroad, you will see to that. But if any attempt is made to exterminate our people, all Bengalis must take appropriate action against them. From revolutionary committees under the leadership of the Awami League in every village, every community, be prepared to act with whatever you have in your possession. Remember, since we have already had to shed blood, we will have to shed a lot more of it. By the grace of God, every however, we will be able to liberate the people of this land. Okay? The struggle this time is a struggle for freedom. The struggle this time is a struggle for emancipation. Long live Bengali, long live Bangladesh. Dear student, in this passage, the writer, the Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, wanted to give some message to the Bengalis. He asked the Bengalis, first he asked the army personnel, asked the forces of Pakistan not to come out from barrack. They are to stay at barrack, in barrack. They will must not bullet anymore to the chest of our Bengali. He also says something important for the other officials or non-government officials or officials, high officials of East Pakistan. They will, who are related to the government, they will strike. They will strike. The owner of the factories, the owner of different offices, the owner of high officials or different organization of the government, the government, they will follow the directions of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman here. Though he at the same time make alert the local leaders, because there are some person who can create chaos and confusion among the Bengalis and who can loot, who can have benefit from this unrest situation of the country, from this turmoil situation of the country, so that he tried to make the people alert so that they cannot create any chaos, so that they cannot have the benefit, they cannot loot the Bengalis, they cannot have the possession of the Bengalis. He makes them alert very carefully because there are some traitors among us. He asked to be careful. Not only that, he also said the other officials, radio stations, the officials of television, the officials of other organizations, to do their duties accordingly, to do some better for the betterment of the country. He he also told the local Awami leader to protest the then enemy, to protest with whatever they have, to struggle with the Bengalis, to struggle with the occupied forces of West Pakistan, because though they are not armed, they have no armed forces, they have the mentality to fight against the West Pakistani rulers and West Pakistani land forces, because they don't have the idea, they don't have the techniques, they don't have the ideas that they will have the information, they will have the authority of the West Pakistan. They were not ready mentally at all to have this. So they are asked to fight against the West Pakistani leaders and situations. Here, the mental shape of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman had been exposed before the readers. By going through the passage, we can understand, with the readers, with the students can understand that the spirit, the inner spirit of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was very much strong. It was stronger than any other forces. He asked his followers to be strong. He asked his followers to follow what he has suggested, and at the same time he has given different directives that are to be followed for the betterment of our readers or of our students. And we have to know the history, what had happened there. These stories are the very directives are the very important for us to be followed for our generation for our country. Dear student, here are some important words to be written, to be noted for you, for your further study, for your further information, for your further help in your coming days. And there, suppress, suppress, দমন করা, suppress করা, murder, শহীদ, murder, confusion, confusion, বিশৃঙ্খলা, confusion, বিশৃঙ্খলা, রিভলিউশনারি, বৈপ্লবিক, বৈপ্লবিক, বৈপ্লবিক. In such a way, there are some important words and phrases that are very important, because if we know the meaning of these words, it will be easy for us to understand, to realize the passage very easily. And if we realize the passage well, a time will come when we will be successful to answer the questions given below. As a result, our preparation will be better. This better preparation will help us face our examination and examination hall. Till then, we will try to continue our study to make a healthy preparation for a better future. তোরা আগামী দিনে তাহলে এই সর্বশেষ স্পিচে যে অংশটুকু রয়েছে বঙ্গবন্ধুর, এটা পরে এসো, এটাই বাসায় ভালো করে পড়ে নিও। পরের দিন থেকে আমরা নেক্সট স্পিচ শুরু করব, নেক্সট লিসনের এই ইউনিট। এই লিসন আজকে এই পর্যন্তই শেষ। সবাইকে আবারও অনলাইন ক্লাসে লেগে থাকার, বইয়ের সময় লেগে থাকার, এখান থেকে বেনিফিট নেয়ার দৃঢ় প্রত্যয় ব্যক্ত করে সবাইকে উদাত্ত আহ্বান জানিয়ে আজকে আমাদের অনলাইন ক্লাস এখানেই শেষ করছি। তোমরা ইংরেজির সঙ্গে থাকো, অনলাইন ক্লাসের সঙ্গে থাকো, ভবিষ্যতের সঙ্গে থাকো, এই প্রত্যাশায় থ্যাংক ইউ অল, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। খোদা হাফিজ।